What professional traders understand that beginners don't. Most traders never become profitable, not because they lack intelligence, not because they don't try hard enough, but because they never understand one simple truth. Professional traders don't think like beginners. They see the same charts, but they interpret them completely differently. The core difference: beginners focus on what the market will do. Professionals focus on what they will do. That's the difference. One is trying to predict. The other is preparing to respond. And in a market built on uncertainty, prediction is a dangerous game. Understanding uncertainty. Beginners want certainty. They want confirmation. They want perfect setups. They want to be right. But the market doesn't offer certainty. Legendary trader Jesse Livermore understood this early. He didn't try to control the market. He waited, observed, and acted only when conditions aligned. Professionals don't chase clarity. They accept uncertainty and trade anyway. Risk versus reward thinking. Beginners think in terms of profit. How much can I make from this trade? Professionals think in terms of risk. How much am I willing to lose? That single shift changes everything, because once risk is defined, emotion has less control, and without emotional interference, execution improves. The execution gap. Most traders don't fail because of bad strategies. They fail because of inconsistent execution. They hesitate. They second guess. They break rules. And every time they do, they weaken their edge. As trading psychology expert Mark Douglas explained, consistency is the key to success in trading. But consistency is impossible without discipline. Professional habits. Professional traders build habits that protect them from themselves. They risk the same amount on every trade, follow predefined rules, accept losses without emotional reaction, trade less but with more precision. Beginners do the opposite. They increase size after wins, chase losses, change strategies constantly, and that inconsistency leads to failure. The emotional edge. Professionals are not emotionless. They feel fear. They feel doubt. But they don't let emotions control decisions. They trust their process. Beginners react to emotions. Professionals act despite them. That's the edge. Not better strategies. Better control. The big shift. If you want to think like a professional trader, shift your focus. From prediction to execution. From profit to risk. From excitement to discipline. Stop asking, what will the market do? Start asking, will I follow my plan? Because your success in trading is not determined by the market. It's determined by your behavior. Closing. The difference between beginners and professionals is not knowledge. It's mindset. Professionals accept uncertainty. They manage risk. And they execute with discipline. If you can learn to do the same, you move closer to the top 10%. Subscribe to Mind Over Markets. Because in trading, the real edge isn't in the chart. It's in how you think.